The storied Prelude name is roaring back to life for 2026, and Honda didn't skimp on the performance pedigree. Underneath its sleek two-door silhouette, the new Prelude quietly borrows some of the Civic Type R's most celebrated underpinnings, giving it genuine muscle without slapping on a badge of its own. At the forefront of the upgrades is Honda's ingenious dual-axis front suspension. First developed for the Type R, this system separates the steering knuckle from the damper assembly, drastically reducing torque steer even under hard acceleration. The result is razor-sharp turn-in and rock-steady composure, whether you're carving mountain switchbacks or hustling through urban canyons. Complementing the suspension overhaul are wider front and rear tracks, a subtle tweak that not only enhances visual stance but also broadens the contact patch for increased grip. Up front, a set of genuine Brembo 4-piston calipers clamp down on oversized rotors borrowed straight from the Type R's toolkit, ensuring fade-free stopping power when the road gets twisty. Despite these hardcore chassis parts, Honda has tuned the Prelude for a more approachable ride than the razor-edged Type R. Spring and damper rates have been softened slightly to absorb daily driver bumps, and you won't find the 6-speed manual transmission here. Instead, the Prelude embraces Honda's two-motor hybrid system, the same setup that powers the Civic Hybrid. This layout delivers instant electric torque at low speeds, smooth power delivery, and impressive efficiency, yet it still feels lively thanks to a new S+ Shift mode. In S+ Shift, paddle shifters simulate gear changes by modulating torque delivery and pumping in synthetic shift sound effects. It's Honda's clever answer to giving enthusiasts a taste of manual control without the weight and complexity of a gearbox. A dedicated console button toggles the system on or off, so you can enjoy pure hybrid ease or dive into a more interactive driving experience at will. Visually, the Prelude carries its performance bits with understated confidence. Flared fenders hint at the wider track, while discreet chassis bracing lines sneak past the rear wheel arches. Inside, Honda promises a driver-centric cockpit with supportive bolstered seats, though final details on materials and infotainment remain under wraps. Expect the Prelude to slot between the Civic and Acura Integra in the lineup, targeting aficionados who've long mourned the loss of Honda's signature two-door coupe. Pricing and exact launch timing haven't been confirmed, but industry chatter suggests showrooms will see the Prelude arrive before the end of 2025. When it does, it will stand out not by wearing a red accented Type R badge, but by proudly carrying the mechanical DNA that made the Civic's Halo model a front-wheel drive legend. In blending those performance chassis components with hybrid efficiency and everyday comfort, Honda appears set to deliver a genuinely unique sport coupe, one that honors its heritage without merely retreading old ground. Stay tuned, because when the 2026 Prelude finally hits twisty back roads, it won't just be a return to form, it will be a statement that Honda's passion for driving fun still runs deep, even in an electrified era.